Your scalp is the soil of your hair. Healthy hair begins at the scalp. The same way that you cleanse, moisturize, and exfoliate the rest of your skin should also apply to your scalp. In fact, the health of your hair depends on the condition of your scalp. So what makes a healthy scalp? We are here to tell you in this video. How do you know if your scalp is healthy or is in need of some extra ingredients? In this video, we've put together a few quick tips and tricks to help you make the right decision. Number 1. Wash your hair less often. Although washing daily can strip the hair of its natural oils, causing dryness, irritation, and flaking, infrequent washing can be just as harmful. It allows debris and natural oils to build up, causing inflammation and lack of new hair growth, among other issues. The key is to find the right balance and determine what's best for your hair. Try washing your hair every other day and adjusting it if need be from there. 2. Eliminate flakes. An itchy, flaking scalp isn't just irritating or embarrassing, it's a sign that your scalp is in distress. Hormonal fluctuations, elevated stress, poor nutritional intake, and not cleansing enough all contribute to dandruff. The inflammation and scratching from dandruff can weaken the hair follicle and cause strands to shed prematurely. If you notice itchiness or flakes, wash your hair twice a week with an anti-dandruff shampoo and alternate with your regular hair cleanser on other days. 3. Use an omega-3 supplement. If you suffer from scalp dryness, supplement your diet with omega-3 and fish oils. Both can help to provide your skin with more moisture, including your scalp. Generally, a diet rich in omega-3s, zinc, and iron helps to improve the look and texture of your hair, while also increasing your scalp's moisture levels. 4. Incorporate a scalp scrub into your routine. To further reduce buildup, implement a scalp scrub or exfoliant into your hair care routine once or twice a week. Look for something consisting of finely ground textures such as sugar, not microbeads, and apply to wet scalp as the water will act as a carrier for the product. Use small circular motions with the tips of your fingers to gently massage the exfoliant into your scalp, just as you would do with a facial exfoliant. 5. Shield your scalp from the sun. The ultraviolet rays from the sun can damage your scalp skin and exacerbate hair thinning, and the less hair you have, the greater the risk of UV damage. If you're planning on being outside for a long time, make sure to wear a hat or apply sunscreen specially formulated for scalp protection. 6. Keep your scalp clean. Oil, hair products, dead skin cells, and dirt easily build up and clog the pores and follicles on your scalp. This irritates the scalp, prevents hair growth, and creates a heaven for fungus and bacteria to grow. Fungus, bacteria, and other infections can cause dandruff, itchiness, irritation, and many other problems. So, keep your scalp clean. 7. Embrace conditioning. Applying conditioner on your scalp can actually improve your appearance, particularly if your scalp is on the dry side. Conditioner replaces the moisture that was removed during the cleansing process. Look for one with moisturizing plant oils or ceramides that can contain the naturally occurring lipids in your scalp. 8. Treat your scalp with essential oils 2 to 3 nights a week. To maximize healthy hair growth, apply circulation-stimulating rosemary essential oil and tea tree essential oils, which help to battle fungal dandruff. Simply add a few drops of the essential oil you choose to seed oil, massage it into your scalp before bed for 2 to 3 minutes, and wash it out during your morning shower. Natural oils absorb easily into the scalp and hair. Your scalp is not only home to the thousands of hair follicles your strands grow from, but it also ages and experiences changes in the same way that your facial and body skin does. For this reason, it's important to care for the scalp with diligence. Like your face, the scalp can get dry, flaky, oily, and even develop pimples. And much like the rest of your skin, your scalp needs will change both seasonally and over time. Is your notion better now than it was before you started watching this video? If so, subscribe to this channel right now. Which of the techniques shared in this video seems strange to you? Shielding your scalp from the sun or using omega-3 supplements? Let us know by leaving a comment down below.